with BRickstick, some may say. Now, what you just saw here is probably about the best damn cobblestones on the block. We do what we normally do. We repair, we restore, we renew. Now, what we did here is these were a little wonky, not the end of the world, right? We eat that for breakfast. A little wonky, no problem. And then we put in a brand new Technoseal polymeric sand. And in my opinion, it's the best your money could physically ever buy you. What a great product. We did a section, so we did this cobblestone section right here, but then we did another section of cobblestones right here. And let me tell you that when we actually did these, we did them a day before, and I was almost amazed how hard this polymeric sand actually became. And so maybe we're just very good at it. Could be the truth. Now, we ended up doing those cobbles I just showed you, these cobbles right here. As you can see, there's a little loop-de-loop of cobbles around the whole front of the yard, and also along this wall right here. Now, this wall, like kind of most of the stuff we do, it was not in terrible shape, just had some loose stones, and we cleaned it, OxiClean foam, wash it, and repair it. Now, this is the exact type of work that we specialize in. When we say we can come onto a property, and we're not curb appeal guys, we're the curbappealguys.com. Now, this walkway was rather large, one of the big boys that we've done, as it completely wraps around. But these had a lot of moss, and we marinated these suckers very, very well to get these as clean as they are. They'll never be perfect. They're 20, 30 years old, but they look beautiful in comparison to what they were. Now, this wall on this property, some may call it the never-ending wall. The size of this wall, definitely bigger than any wall we've ever worked on. Very, very nice stacked stone mortarless design. This sucker goes around in a straight shot. And so what we did to this wall is what we do best, and that is repair, restore, renew. It's all we do. So full-blown OxiClean, turbo nozzle, pressure washer, and then we were able to go kick the tires on the whole entire thing. So we went through this whole wall. Anything that was loose, we repaired it. Now, if we look at what we're going to do over here, wrapping around the never-ending wall, of course, is the best way to get to the front stairs over here. Now, I would say this, out of all the services we offer, the paver repair, whether it's bluestone or traditional pavers, the paver repair is what the customers love the most. It exceeds their expectations time and time again. Now, this was an old walkway, and like I was discussing before, it had a lot of moss build up. They have a sprinkler system, and it really causes a lot of moss. So we went with a two-step approach. We used a 30-second cleaner first to get the moss off. Then we used our typical OxiClean foam. Now, what a beautiful walkway this ended up turning into. Doesn't look brand new, but damn, it looks good. I came around the back of this property because I was back here. We had been working in the front yard for a week. When I was back here, I had seen this back patio. We did this maybe 2 months ago or so, and damn, it looks good. The before and after pictures, which we use on our website, are just stunning compared to what this looks like before. I'm very, very happy with the way this held up. Again, we're using Technoseal polymeric sand. It is the absolute best your money can buy, and it did an excellent job at holding these pavers together. So when I say we're not curb appeal guys, we are the curbappealguys.com. It's pretty serious business, because this is some curb appeal, starting with this back patio, and then we work our way all the way around. And so the end user, right, around here, the customer is still king, right? The end user has a fantastic product, and it exemplifies the type of work we specialize in. May the peace of the Lord be upon you.